How to subscribe to EA Play. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can subscribe to EA Play. Alright, so how do you do this? The first step is to log in into your EA account, and once you're logged in, launch the app, and then once you've launched the app, you'll be brought to the home page automatically where you would see different games, alright, different games that you can play on the app, both the free ones and the paid ones. And the next step is to move to the right side, sorry, the left side of the screen, where you can see options like Home, Browse, Library, then EA Play. Just go ahead and click on it. Now, once you click on EA Play, you'll be brought to the EA Plays page, where you would see get more game for so amount a month. Our members can get more rewards, etc. So you just click on join EA Play. Now once you click on join EA Play, you will see the option subscribe by month or save 50% to an annual membership. So then the next step is to select the subscription or the particular plan you would like to subscribe to. Once you've selected it, click on continue. Then once you click on continue, the page would load and then you'll be directed to the payment information page. Here you'll be asked to input your credit card number, the country or region, first name or last name, expiry date, etc. Click on proceed to review order once you're done. And then once you're done, you'll be directed to another page where the money will be deducted and then you can now check out. After checking out, the site would be subscribed to automatically. That is, EA Play will be subscribed to automatically. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.